The Scandinavian currencies has again come into focus as the European debt crisis is renewed in focus, with the social turmoil both in Spain, Portugal, and even this weekend in France. Capital flight continues to go into Scandinavian currencies every time we see some sort of unrest in Europe. Having said that, the Swedish krona right now against the euros trades mid-range, the low being 15 and the high being 60. We trade around 45. We remain of the idea that the Swedish krona will remain strong inside the range, but we feel a middle range does not give us any incentive to react. Should the Swedish krona weaken somewhat towards the above 850, then we certainly will be selling euro and buying Swedish again. But for now, we are neutral with a long-term bullish attitude. This morning we saw a very weak PMI from Sweden below 50, which will again accentuate the discussion going on in the Swedish media and among the Swedish corporation that the Swedish krona is starting to hurt the economy. We expect that phase potentially could get a little bit of a higher year stargy, but one that should be again sold. And in terms of Norway, the same pattern, weak PMI also from Norway below 50, indicating the economy is contracting slightly. And as such, the Norwegian Central Bank has continued to say that it's extremely concerned about the strong currency. Of the two, Sweden and Norway, we like the Swedish krona better, bigger exposure to world growth, and generally speaking, a risk willingness for the Swedish krona which is higher, and an economy which is far more flexible with incoming tax cuts and lower interest rate overall. But again, both currencies has remained for the last year almost in our long portfolio, and remain very, very big favorites of these two.